Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds LG TONE Free from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. At the device list, click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have a button what's called Disconnect. But before I tap on it, because we need to tap on it to disconnect these earbuds, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you tap on this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but leave it at the device list. And if you want to totally remove your earbuds from your phone, then you need to select to unpair, so click at the Forget this device button. Now let's move to disconnect it, so click on it, and as you can see, I stopped Bluetooth connection, it's not connected with my phone, but I have it at the device list, so I can easily reconnect these earbuds if your earbuds is turned on. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!